City series cigars and Citrus 7s, black cement 3s, 4s, the hairs and bread 11s. No doubt that I'll be wearing some fire at any sighting. With these Doran Becker 5s, you can see me in any lighting. It's exciting, I'll be flexing to the coldest degree. What's up, everybody? It's Sneakerhead M Checks. I got the Better with Time Nigel Sylvester Jordan 1 Lows, which released Saturday, August 16th. So as usual, we're going to take a close detailed look at the shoe from all angles. I'm going to put these on and step around them so y'all can see they look on feet. After that, I'm going to share my opinion on the shoe, and then I'm going to talk about reselling predictions and all that stuff. So let's get right to it. These come with scuffs on them. It's not exactly the same on each shoe. Well, the toe is the same, you can see, but he's got an extra scuff right here. And like I said, it's going to be different on each shoe. But the toe box looks good, the shape and the leather. Sail or muslin colored laces and tongue. And then up here it says Bike Air. They have the little swoosh on the side, just like the Nigel 4s have. And then the bigger swoosh over here is like a patent leather. You can see that with the light bouncing off of it. It's also really flat, like it doesn't pop out like usual. See what I'm saying? And then there's 3 slightly off-centered silver outlines here. More scuffs here around the back. And the inner sides have a normal swoosh, different material, not flat like it is on the other side. See, it pops out a little bit. Some more scuffs here. Here, and like I said, it's not the same exact on each shoe. I mean, it's pretty similar. They still have this on the back. Nothing here on the inside. Yeah, nothing here either. You know, these got that, but that's the inner side. Jordan Wings logo on the back, 2 off-centered silver outlines like the outer swoosh has, just 3 there and 2 here. They come with an extra pair of black laces and an extra pair of red laces. Interior is black. Over here it says Jordan Biking Code, established 2017, just like it does on the back side of the tongue on the 4s. Insoles are the same color as the laces, and here on the left shoe it says Nigel Sylvester, and the right shoe has the Bike Air. Outsole's got all these chalky looking streaks on them. Literally looks like somebody just got a brand new pair and walked through where there was chalk on the ground. I don't really get the message behind that or the correlation it has with biking, but I'm sure it's got something to do with that, if anything. Here's the box. The top of the lid and both sides have the bike with the swoosh, and then these sides have Nike. Inside, the lid has a bike on it, and then in here it's just white paper, no accessories or anything. And here's the box label. Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG Nitro in black, muslin, and varsity red. Here's a quick all-around view of the shoe. Alright, now see they look on feet. She love riding passenger. Got her own, but she ain't mind riding passenger. Got a couple, she my favorite, I ain't passing her. Take her home and she gon' ride me like a passenger. She love riding passenger. In her car, she still wanna be the passenger. Got the best pussy ever, I ain't gassing her. Take her home, she gon' ride me. Nah, these shits is whack. I mean, the details are cool. They always find clever ways to relate the Nigel collabs to biking. I think that's why they come with the scuffs on them. I mean, it's not like you can't scuff your shoes from playing ball or just wearing them, period, doing anything really. But all the shit he be doing on the bikes is definitely gonna give you different types of scuffs. So that's gotta be what all this is for. And they got the bike on the box and stuff. So all that's cool, but appearance-wise, they don't appeal to me at all. A lot of people may say they feel differently, and I'm not knocking anybody who does, but let's be real. If this shoe did not have Nigel Sylvester's name attached to it, very few of y'all would still be saying that you like it. If that was the case, they would be sitting on the sneakers app right now, going for like $88 on the aftermarket, maybe less. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that necessarily. It's not a crime to like something because it's a, you know, particular collab or for reasons other than appearance. It's just interesting to me because I didn't know Nigel was this influential. Like, obviously I knew Nigel was lit, but like, this is crazy. He on some Travis Scott shit. Like, Nigel Sylvester really might be the next Travis Scott, like when it comes to sneakers. Because we've seen Jordan Brand can pretty much drop anything, any model, from the hottest silhouettes at the moment to fucking Team Jordans, and everything sells. No matter how fire or mid the shit actually is, just slap Nigel's name on it and the shit's an instant sellout. The only other person I've ever seen pull that off with, you know, Jordan collabs is Travis Scott. So I think it's safe to say Nigel's tapped into that level level now. And I ain't want to be too quick to say that because Travis has had that wave locked in for years now, since like 2018, 2019. Obviously his stuff is not as hype as it was at its peak like 6 years ago, but even with all the controversy he's dealt with, after hitting probably the biggest low of his stardom, he still kept that torch, you know, with as far as sneakers is concerned at least. I know they like seem to do a little like pause on his releases when, you know, all that was going on, but like I kind of thought he was gonna really fall off at that point, to be honest. Like I thought his collabs was really gonna nosedive going forward, and I forgot what the next pair after that was, but they dropped them, and it was, like I said, not as hype as, you know, his shit was a few years back, but like it was almost like nothing even happened. Like people were still buying them shits up crazy, and he still got that torch. Like he could drop some bullshit with Jordan right now, and yeah, I know it's gonna sell out in seconds. And I just feel like, although it's early, I know he only has, you know, a couple of Jordan collabs, but the variety that we've seen and the results that we've seen from them, I think we could say that Nigel's definitely tapped into that level now. Because even before the 4s, his first Jordan 1s were terrible, but they had heavy demand. He did a fucking Team Jordan, basically. And those had demand. When I seen that, I knew Nigel was him for real. Because what? And now these? Yeah. Nigel's there. And like I said, there's nothing wrong with liking something just because it's a collab with a particular person or brand or whatever. I just don't know why no one ever wants to admit that. Like, I don't think I ever heard a person straight up admit, oh, I just like these because they're Travis Scott's, or yeah, they're not really fire, but I just want them because they're Nigel Sylvester's. Like, I ain't never heard nobody ever say anything like that. And I don't know why, because that really be the truth half the time. The fake forced justifications people be coming up with instead of just being honest really be killing me. Like, shits will be dead trash, and instead of just saying like, oh, I just like them because they're Travis Scott's, or I just want them because they're Nigel Sylvester's, motherfuckers will say some shit like, nah, yo, like, they just different. Like, I really just like the vibe they give off. They got a certain vibe I fuck with, blah, blah, blah. Like, over-explaining, but not really saying shit at the same time. That shit be hilarious. Like, it's okay. You just like them because they're Nigel Sylvester's or Travis Scott's. Like, you don't got a lot of us or yourself. It'd be so obvious. But I really don't care at the end of the day. Like what you like, no matter the reason. Just always be honest with yourself. And me too. Don't lie to me. But now leave me a comment and let me know how you feel about these, if you hit for retail or not, and if you like them enough to pay the aftermarket price for them. This is an easy pass for me personally, so if anybody's interested in this size 9.5, I will be selling them. I'm trying to get market, not including shipping and taxes, so reach out to me on Instagram if you're interested. Part of me feels like once people get their pairs in from the sneakers app drawer, the value's gonna dip down pretty hard, and I don't know how much they'll kick up over time. However, another part of me feels like because Nigel seems to be so untouchable with these Jordan collabs, maybe they'll go up. I could see it going either way. If you have money to be optimistic with, you may want to hold on to them and see what they do. But if you're in a tighter financial situation, you may be better off just taking the guarantee flip now and not risking it. If you got your own gut feeling, go with whatever that is. But the more I think about it, I feel like these are going to be a good hold. So you know what? Never mind. These aren't for sale anymore yet. But if this is helpful in any way or taught you anything, I really appreciate if you like the video. If you're interested in more reviews like this or any other sneaker related content, please do us both a favor and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Once you're subscribed, make sure you tap that little bell icon next to the subscribe button and select all. That way when I put a new video out, you'll get notified. You won't miss out on anything. Thank you all for watching. Everybody please stay safe and healthy out there, and I'll see you next time.